how to use voice chat on the Fortnite Nintendo Switch version. So what you want to do is just load up the game and then go to your profile here in the top right corner. Alright, just click on your profile icon like so, and then we want to go into the settings. So click on this button and then go into settings. Now once you have gone into the settings here, we want to press the right button here at the top once, and then make sure that voice chat is set to 100. So for me it's 8%, just make sure it's set to 100 so you can hear it. Next we have to press the right button again here at the top, and as you can see my voice chat is currently turned off. So what we want to do is press on it and then switch it over to either friends only. The other option is friends and teammates and everybody. So I'm just going to leave it for everybody here like so, and if I click on apply, just like that, now you will be able to use voice chat. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.